Hello everyone, good morning. This is Dinesh here, and today we are going to see about how a simple support and resistance can actually help us in identifying opportunities of like 10%, 20%. Okay, which one of my participants was able to do recently in one of the company, and they were able to make good amount of profit. Okay, so a lot of people are interested in intraday and short term, and this video can help you a lot in improving on your trading. Let's go to the charts. So we are going to see Lakshmi Organics here. Okay, this is one of the company which was moving very fast. Okay, it has been giving a very good movement for the last few months. Okay, if you see the 1 day time frame and also in the 1 month time frame, right, you can see the amount of movement that this company has had. Okay, and recently the exact opportunity which we were able to identify, okay, was here. Okay, the exact candle is here. Okay, this one, or even we can say this one. So why is that? Okay, before that, right, before that happened, let's say this is a resistance. Okay, this was a resistance, okay, that we were able to see right now, and which was being marked by us, and we were waiting for it to break out. Okay, and as soon as on these two candles, okay, there was a good movement which started, and this particular candle, the last one, okay, has just confirmed the breakout. Okay, so this was a candle which was giving us a confirmation, and which we was able to take an opportunity and see the amount of profit potential that it had. Okay, ideally, if you see, as per the trailing stop loss, we could close our positions on this candle. Okay, so we can open here, and we could close the positions or exit the positions on this candle as per the trailing stop loss. Okay, so what is the profit potential? Say this particular candle closed at around 407. Okay, 407, and this particular candle closed at around 473. You can see it here, right? This price, see this close price. Okay, open, high, low, and close. This is the close price. As I am hovering on a particular candle, it shows the close price of that particular candle. Okay, on that day, or this one, it is a 1 hour time frame. So the close of this particular candle is 407, and the close of this particular candle is 473. Okay, almost like 407, 10% is almost like 41 rupees. Say this is now 60, 70, almost like 70 points up. Okay, around 70 points up, which is 18% or so, 17 to 18% or so. Okay, that's the kind of profit potential, okay, which we had here, and one of the participant was able to make around 10-12% profit on this particular trade. Okay, so although she was not able to take the entire profit, okay, maybe she might enter a little late here, but she was able to make around 10-12% profit in this one single trade. And how many days did it take? Say this was taken on 27th of August. 27th of August is a day on which we had this particular breakout, and this particular trade, when we are closing it, it is on 31st of August. Okay, so there are 2 days in between, weekends. So 27, okay, and say 30 and 31, 3 days. Okay, just 3 days, and the profit potential is around 10-12%. Profit potential is around 18%. Okay, my participant was able to take about 10-12%, which is good. 3 days, 12%, awesome, right? Okay, so people are actually trading on short term. Okay, I would say that you can even expect for a greater profit. Okay, only thing is that you have to little bit focus on the applying the concept even little more deeper, so that you will get the confidence on the concepts, and it will be very useful while you are applying the trades. Okay, so that is for today. Okay, you are able to see, I think, hope you are actually watching the videos and able to actually learn every single day. Okay, I'm coming up with different concepts with different examples, like Nifty companies, Nifty small cap, mid cap, Nifty 250, 500, and so on. Okay, watch them, practice them, because watching alone doesn't help. Okay, I want you to go back, practice all the concepts, only then you will be able to apply it with a lot of confidence. So do that every single day, and I'll tell you, you are going to progress every single day. Okay, so I'll be coming with the next video. Till then, take care, stay safe, and have a great day. Okay, bye bye.